Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert inline CSS to your HTML website. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the text editor, which is Sublime Text. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the launch pad, search for the application Sublime Text, click on this, and then make sure you have the file open up from the previous tutorials. If not, go to File, Open, search for the folder, and then open up index.htm. And now we are ready to insert inline CSS, which is used to apply a unique style to a single HTML element. And inline CSS uses the style attribute of a HTML element. So now we can go to a new line, the same way we did for background color, insert h1 style. And now color blue. Now we can type this is a blue heading. Less than slash autofill. We can also add a comment inline CSS. Command S to save. Go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder, Documents, My YouTube Channel, Tutorials, HTML Tutorials. Go to index.htm. Open with Safari. Minimize Finder for the moment, decrease the size of the web browser, likewise with the Sublime Text Edit file. And so then we can work on both windows at the same time. So now we have a website with headings, paragraphs, more text, text with background color, and now inline CSS also comes into play. This is a blue heading. Everything is done within HTML. We can have external CSS style sheets. That is for the near future. So, quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.